Hey everybody, this is a quick video to talk about how to do a hard reset on your JBL Flip Bluetooth speaker. So if you're having issues with it connecting to the Bluetooth, or it won't stay connected, or you're having sound issues, anything like that, a factory reset can very often just fix it. So what we need to do a factory reset or a hard reset on this speaker is pretty simple. First thing we're going to do is we're going to come in, we're just going to turn it on and make sure and let it start up and make sure it's fully turned on. Once it's fully turned on, we're just going to come in to the volume up and volume down buttons, and we're going to press and hold those volume up and volume down buttons for several seconds, and it will actually make an audible, like a doo-dunk sound once it does that, and then it will go through a reset cycle. It'll do some stuff with the lights and stuff like that, and then when it's finished its reset cycle, it will turn off. And then once it turns off, then you can turn it back on, and it will be reset. You'll need to reconnect it to whatever devices you had, but it will be fully reset. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.